Hey everyone, check out the Pyle Classical Guitar Starter Kit, a perfect 30-inch 1/4 size guitar for beginners. This all-wood instrument features a handcrafted linden wood body with a maple fretboard and chrome tuning machines for durability and style. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away, including a capo, gig bag, extra nylon strings, a strap, and 3 picks. The junior scale size makes it ideal for kids and adults learning guitar, perfect for lessons, rehearsals, or performances. Its soft nylon strings are gentle on fingertips and produce a warm, clear tone. With 18 frets and a traditional classic body style, this guitar is comfortable and easy to play. Whether you're practicing at home or on stage, this starter kit has you covered. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.